Nashville yet? It's time to go and explore this puppy boat. You ready? You're watching Daddy DIY. And a rapper. This is where you get the tickets.
I see a pig and a sheep.
You see a pig and a sheep? Mmm. Wristband time. You ready? Got your wristband on? Alright. You wanna get a picture over there? No. I got you.
I see your work, you got your work sweater. Whoa. Wow. Mommy, I'm gonna go check out that big slide.
It's a big slide.
I might get stand up the slide, but I just want to go down and see how I like it.
Okay.
She don't even thinking about mommy and daddy.
We're going to this slide.
No fear. You gonna catch up with me? I think you're going the same one, but just grab it just in case. Run. Wow! You gonna go again? Oh, then Jen came farther than you. She said she's going again. Oh.
Way to go, girlie. That's so fun. Here comes Daddy. Wow! What are you doing, silly goose?
Basketball, concrete bowling. Look girl. Vroom. Oh, look at old Granny driving down the road. Come on, Granny. Granny. Is this the tractor line?
Yeah, let's corner.
Corner ride? All right. Woo! All I see is hair, girl. You just a hair, girl. Woo, look at that mommy. Let's get some chin action. He's got a tag on him. That means he's grade A USDP. Now that's a big bull. Dogs! spotted the hot dogs. Off track. Danny James. Danny James. Stay over there. That way.
To the umbrellas.
Umbrellas. Mommy and her dog and her daughter. Soccer, pool. Get your corner pockets, your side pockets. That is cool. Oh, you even got the big triangle over there. Sure, darling. Play music generally. Y'all sound like a band. Mm-hmm. A great. Okay. Oh, Williams. Yeah, Williams. I ain't reading the last part. We stop at this. Though in the end are silent. There you go. Beat on the whole thing.
There you go. You see your ducky moving?
Go. You gotta beat mommy. Keep pumping.
Oh, mine's stuck.
You gotta get it unstuck. Mommy's unstuck. Go, Danny Jean. Come on, faster. Faster. We gotta get mommy. Faster.
Go, daddy. Go, daddy.
I will. Here you go. You see the ducky?
Yeah.
He caught up pretty fast though.
Oh, two ducks.
You wanna go again?
Yeah, I want two ducks.
Put it in the white part. Right here.
Okay, now start pumping. Just one. Yeah. Go, mommy.
Go, daddy. I got the other duck.
Hi, goat. Hi, sheep. There's something else over there too. Oh.
Oh, that's the one.
Oh, I think ready. Put them on the inside. Yeah.
There's a hole. I'm gonna keep in here. That's where the baby is.
He sleeps in the Bermuda Triangle.
Mommy.
picture. All right, now make a fly. Hold on, girlie. Yeah, don't do it. She gonna land on your head. She goes in that side. What is this, like a drainage pipe? Hey, get my sweater. Go through, go through. You gotta jump over it, Danny Jane. You go through the path. Yeah, step over. There you go. Find a different one. You can do it. There you go. There you go, ninja girl. The other side. Hoo-yah! There you go. Okay. Whoa, she made it. Right here. There you go. Other leg. Go over. Get it in there. In through the tunnel. Okay. All right. It still works. That works. It's still hard. Tomatoes. Yeah. Chili peppers. Soybeans. Peas. Look, mommy. You got peas. Snap peas. Cucumbers. Oh, look, baby. Okra. Okra.
Look at this little tiny tomato. It's in my hand.
Oh, it is a tiny tomato. Ooh, that is a big okra right there. We gotta start up some farms. You make little plant boxes. Corn. What's this? Oregano? I'm just joking. So I guess this is put here in design for it to grow up and over. Why? Because it's a baby pumpkin? Oh, so it won't ever get big. Just dropped it down in that hole. Oh, these are tomatoes. We grew some of these. I mean strawberries, yeah. We grew some of these. See? Those are little red and the yellow white flowers. I told you. Yes, come on. Yes, but that's stealing. Cut them out. Shoot them up.
Hang on, Daddy's gonna try to catch this horse, cow.
Don't smell very good in here.
It's not. All right, here we go. This way. What a maze.
Oh, look at this right here. This could have been like 3-4 more turns. They just got it blocked.
Is it tunnel? Oh wait, can you go? Maybe you do go in there. You have to have the light on.
Oh, that's why they said they needed a light. You know, they was coming out getting their parents' light.
You made it. Go, girly. Whee! Okay, last one. We getting out of here. It is stinky. Oh, you okay? This is number 3 right here. You got it. You are so strong. All right, go for it, girly. Watch where you're going. Whee! You are getting so tall.
There's only 2.
Send somebody pocket. Send somebody pocket. Yeah, I can play with the rocks. Why don't you just go over there?
Okay, who's going first?
Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.